Soundtrack in video game often ignored by gamers, but in reality, we always notice the soundtrack in video game. You just don't really put that much thought in your mind. And that's the purpose of the music in video games. It's not something you should really notice when playing games, because the soundtrack is like a spice in the games. It's something really important and make the game stand out more, but it just flow with the games. You will likely not notice the soundtrack playing in the background. You will notice soundtrack in video game probably in these two scenarios. One, you think the soundtrack is good and worth listening more outside the games, or the soundtrack is bad and does not flow with the games. A good soundtrack is a soundtrack that you don't really notice unless you care about the soundtrack, that flow naturally with the games and make you feel familiar with it. Soundtrack in video games have purpose like giving more atmosphere in it. For example, something like a ray of light in Nier Automata. As well as adding the atmosphere to the game. Soundtrack in video game can also tell a story. That look with the Curse and Holy Blade original soundtrack from Bloodborne. The Latin translation, I know the soundtrack which of the Latin word, is not only make the boss atmosphere or aura more tense with the orchestra in it, but also the soundtrack describe how Ludwig as the first hunter of the Healing Church, the holy man and the hero of Vietnam, but also describe him as someone who lost his way as a hunter and a man and become a beast like we see now. I think that's all I can say as we end this video. I think you can understand why the soundtrack in video game is important. And last advice for me is you should listen to it, never ignore it, because not only it enhance your experience more with the games, but also make the games more personal for you and always be remembered. Because for me, if I can remember how the game is, listening to the soundtrack can bring back more memories for me. Thank you.